Meet Tidbit, impound number A4691598. Tidbit is a female tan and white terrier mix who came into the shelter as a stray from El Monte on March 31st. And Tidbit is still puppy, we think about 5-6 months old. Super chill puppy. She's weighing right now about 7 pounds, so she'll probably get a little bigger. She is a terrier mix, so therefore she is a smart little girl, so she could benefit from some training. And she needs a little bit training on the leash, and she would do well with children, and she does okay with other dogs. Is she kenneled with other dogs?
Yeah,
Small dogs. Yeah, calm, easygoing, as you can see, a little lap doggy. Do well in any living situation that would just give her the proper care, and again, like engage with her and do some basic training with her. But yeah, super cute. My favorite part about her is her little mouth. It looks like a little, I don't know, she looks like an Ewok or something. Super cute. So yeah, come down to Downey Animal Care Center and check out this little girl for yourself, and if you're interested in a cute terrier puppy, I think she's the one for you.